Yeah, we're doing a bumblebee look. Let's get to it. First things first, I'm going to be doing the eye primer in yellow to intensify the yellow base. Because y'all know a yellow is so hard for it to pop. So any eyeshadow primer that will help that, let's go with it. Now I'm gonna have it like a smoky bumblebee, so I'm gonna have like the inner part yellow, of course, and then all out here probably black, but we'll see. Okay, I'm still envisioning all this. I have plenty of bumblebees around me to get inspired with. So I'm just kind of going off with that. But I have a collab with my beautiful queens over there on Flex Beauty, and we are doing a spring collab, fairy collab, and the typical fairy has butterflies and feathers and flowers. I don't want to be a typical fairy. I want to be a unique fairy, so I want to be the fairy of bumblebees. Why not? I have enough bumblebee stuff, as you can see, my quota. Have rules. Be kind, be honest, be humble, be positive, be respectful, be grateful, be happy, be you. So true. So why not live like a bumblebee? So let's find a good yellow. So we're going to set this yellow down with Kylie Jenner, the Batman palette. This is a really nice yellow. And I'm just basically setting the base for it, because these right here will crease on you, as you can see, if you don't hurry up and set it. I don't have a yellow from Flex Beauty yet. I'm just now starting to get up my collection. And you want to pat down that crease before you set it. You don't want to set nothing and then have it all creasy. Alright. Now, I don't have any Flex Beauty eyeshadows. And man, this is a collab with Flex Beauty. I do want to incorporate some of her shadows, of course. And so I have my giveaway box that I've dabbled into here and there. And so we got all those little goodies. Yay. And I'm thinking about putting this light gold on top of this yellow. And then, you know, the black. But I am currently waiting on some. Thank God that had a lid on it. I was so mad. Wait. Mommy is busy. Wait. And then I have some of her samples that she's also sent. Oh my goodness, hold on. This is the new brush collection from Unearthly Cosmetics. So I'm going to go in with a light gold. And I try to be very, easy with these. Just because I don't want to, waste any. Ooh, that's pretty. And I barely tapped it there. These little jars, she sent me so much of these little bitty jars. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. And I didn't even put nothing down. No tackiness, no nothing. For this, I just went straight over the other shadow. I could probably honestly got the same kind of effect. It just wouldn't have been as yellow. And I would have went over the base with this shade and not the yellow first. But I want my bumblebee to pop. So look at that. Oh yes. So now we gotta go over that black. Okay, we're going in with this black. It's called Star Night. And this is from Flex Beauty. Look at that. Okay, so this is where we're at. Let's blend. So I am blending out with Antique Bronze, just because I don't want it like too harsh going up. And it's actually working out pretty good. Oh my god, this nose is gonna kill me yet. Look how pretty. Like, and I'll go back in and define it a little bit more with that black. But I'm liking it so far. And I'm just going to, like, after I soften the edges, I'll bring it into that black a little bit just so it's not like too harsh transition. And then with a clean brush, I'm just kind of brushing it all together so it's nice and blended. And then I'll go in and define it a little bit more. So this is what we're working with. Let's go ahead and do under the eye as well. I'm going in with the same concept, dark and then yellow on the inner part. Still using Star Night. Here's that. That's the only good thing about me doing my face first. I don't have to wait. So let's get some of that yellow down. I'm going to line my waterline with this eye primer. That is another bonus with that. So I've got a little liner brush. And I'm going to cut both sides. And then just brush that in there. There we go. Look how cute. So see, if you don't have color eyeliners and you have color primers, you could use those as liners as well. Just like so. I have to remember, this is such a dark color. I'm so like skittish around black. I'm not used to it. Like, I wipe my eye because my eye's watering like always. I have to make sure I don't wipe black everywhere like I just did. But yeah, let's highlight. I also want to draw some bumblebees on my face. But I think I want to finish my eyes first. Alright, let me do the bumblebees. We're almost there. So there's one. There's another one. I did my lips in a light gold, the white, the yellow base, and Star Night. Also for the bumblebee, I use Star Night. Ta-da. Do I look like a bumblebee fairy? Let me know down below. Well, on the side. Okay, so this is with everything on. Buzz, buzz, bitches, buzz, buzz.